I'd like to describe the BSF Hub concept as our way of truly bringing urban agriculture to urban cores. The way we are doing that is by bringing a combination of 8 of our NFT hydroponic farming containers with experiential retail. So the concept of the BSF Hubs is really about decentralization and bringing urban agriculture into your neighborhood. Being able to provide a community market, community shopping, a way for people to have a connection and a relationship with what is growing in their neighborhood. We want to do this by also bringing together other local products and other local farming and agricultural goods. So we're looking at including organic produce, local breads and meats and cheeses and everything else that we could bring so that you can come and have a great shopping experience. The Brick Street Farms Hub concept is radically different than what other hydroponic farming companies are doing today. The reason for this is that we're truly bringing production into your neighborhood, and we're not just mass producing for distribution through middlemen and warehouses. We are truly connecting with our consumers. By going direct to consumer and having retail in your neighborhood, we are building a relationship and not just another commodity. Brick Street Farms and our hubs is focused on retail because ever since I started Brick Street Farms, I've always envisioned that we would have a direct relationship with our communities and with our customers. From the beginning, our mission has always been to bring farming back into urban communities and build that relationship. Today, people want to know where their food comes from. They want to know who's growing it and how it's grown. By bringing the hubs back into the community, it really allows us to connect with our consumers. Because not only are we located directly in your community, we control all of our logistics. So we go from harvest to home within 24 hours directly from our facility with which it's grown. Being in the communities also lets us tailor what our consumers are looking for. What products are they interested in buying? We're able to respond to their demand and their feedback and their unique tastes from their communities. So part of the inspiration for the Brick Street Farms Hub concept for us was early on when we started this company, we also started wholesale, selling direct to hospitality, restaurants and hotels, school districts and other establishments in our neighborhood. As our produce got out into the community and our name was found on menus, we literally actually had people knocking at our door. It's because they had access to us, because our farm was right in downtown St. Petersburg, and people started to inquire, where did this great produce come from? Why was this so different? And they started to hear about it through the restaurants and the purveyors of those establishments. Were so excited to support local community agriculture that was available year-round, and people begun to seek us out. We had always intended to work on retail, but it was such a reaffirming experience for us that it gave us the additional confidence we need to truly launch Brick Street Farms Hubs in your urban communities. My husband and I, as engineers, decided that we were going to engineer farms that were not only environmentally sustainable, but provided the ROI necessary to have a sustainable business. Through that, we started designing and building our containers that you see behind us. And in order for us to maintain proper ROI moving forward, we continue to evolve, engineer, and develop the highest performing farm containers possible. A natural extension from building the farm containers is to actually farming the farm containers. So we've developed the Brick Street Farms operational side of the business to support our hubs to be able to deliver the best produce to our wholesale restaurant and hospitality partners, as well as direct to consumer through our markets, our memberships, and ultimately home delivery. Environmental sustainability is a pillar of the Brick Street Farms hubs. So each of our hubs will be powered through solar power and have all of our backup generation from natural gas. One of the main components of all Brick Street Farms going forward is about our water reclamation and our water sources. Our primary sources of water for all of our hubs is our condensate from our HVAC machines, as well as all rainwater. So we have a rainwater catchment system, as well as our water filtration system that will catch all of the condensate. We have an on-site mini water treatment plant that will refilter and recirculate all water sources. And not only that, but we're not connected to the sewer system. So we have zero runoff, zero pollutants, we use no chemicals, we use no pesticides. Through our recycling program, we partner with local recycling companies that ensure all product that is brought back to us is recycled. In addition to solar-powered natural gas backup generation, 100% water reclamation and refiltering, we're really excited to offer our communities access to our reverse osmosis water filtration systems. Each of our farm containers individually only use between 15 and 25 gallons of fresh water per day. People typically think that we use a ton of water. Not only that, but hydroponic systems are the most efficient use of agricultural farming available today. Ultimately, our mission is to bring production to the point of consumption, and our hubs do that by bringing urban agriculture, hydroponic shipping container farms, mixed with experiential retail right to your neighborhood. We are truly developing an environmentally sustainable urban agriculture model.